Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage Google extensions or Chrome extension on your Google Chrome browser. So maybe you install like a VPN and other add-on or tools on your Google Chrome browser. So you can try to manage it, like remove, like pause the extensions and so on. So let's try to tap three dots at the top corner of your screen, this one, and find the extensions breakdown, and this is the manage extension option. Click it. As you can see, I only had two extensions, like Google Docs Offline and McAfee Web Advisors. So you can try to disable or pause. Like if you pause, for example, there is an effect. This extension might read and change the site information or run in the background. This is the extension Google Docs Offline, and here McAfee Web Advisor. And if you turn on this, there is an extension icon at the top of your screen. So if you want to remove, just click remove, and then your extension is uninstalled or completely removed from your Google Chrome. And if you want to add more tools, add more extensions, you can visit chromewebstore.google.com and try to search your extension, your tools in this official website. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so contact button below. See you in the next video.